I'm an undergraduate of the Department of Electronics and Telecommunications Engineering, University of Moratuwa. I'm currently studying in my third year. A team of us developed an application, a mobile application to IdeaMart for the recently concluded Colombo International Book Fair. The team comprised of 6 members, including myself, Lakshita Chaturanga, Buddhima Gamla, Rachita Piyushan, Samira Ramasinghe, and Kaushal Priyadarshana. Basically what our application does is when a customer comes to the book fair to buy a book, he may have some books listed out or some books that he wants to buy in his mind. So what our application does is he can send a text message to a specific number. So once he sends the text message to that number, we will reply with the stalls which that particular book is available. So for example, let's say that a person is searching to buy the book Alchemist, and he can use his mobile phone, his dial-up mobile phone, and send a message to send a message saying ISK space the Alchemist, and then we will send the stalls which the book Alchemist is available with their stall numbers, so that he can directly go to that particular stall and buy the book. So what motivated us to develop this application is we went to the book fair in the past 3 or 4 years. So one thing that we noticed was that there are few people who like to go from stall to stall and look at books and then buy whatever they like, and there are few people who have specific books in their mind and who want to buy specific books. They sometimes find it hard to locate where the book is. So our intention was to come up with a solution for that particular problem. So we thought, why not use technology and available resources and then develop something that would help the people who are coming to the book fair to locate the books they are searching for. So that was our motivation. And last year we talked about that concept, and then in this year, about 4 months back, we learned about the IdeaMart platform. And then we thought, our initial idea was to have a specific stall where people can come in and then search for their books. But when we learned about the IdeaMart platform, we thought, why not go for a mobile application? And that was the main motivation behind the application. So moving on to the technical aspects and the APIs that we used in developing this application, mainly from IdeaMart, we used the SMS API to receive and send SMSs to subscribers. And for the technical aspects that we focused on, it's like these are customer specific application. So we have to think from the point of view of the customers, the subscribers who will be using this application. So the main thing is that in the book fair there are a lot of Sinhala books. So when typing the message, they have to use English. So the message will basically come in English. And for instance, let's say that a person is searching for Madol Duwa, and he can type Duwa as DOOWA or DUWA. So we have to handle those instances where there can be ambiguities. And we had to do a little bit of spelling correction in the application, that we get the name of the book and then we process it and then check in the database whether that book is available or not. So once we gathered the database from all the publishers who will take part in the book fair, there were about more than 75,000 books in our database. So finding the exact match for that request was a bit of a hard task. And then if there are no close matches, we send some suggestions. Like did you mean this, and 3 or 4 listed suggestions, and then if the customer is looking for that book, he can send the request again to find that book. So there were a bit of artificial intelligence incorporated in the software, where we do the spelling correction to match it to the database, and then where we query the request in the database and then come up with the most suiting match. So moving on to the marketing aspects, we mainly did our marketing through internet and through Facebook and other social media sites, and some blogs where they have a lot of readers, and we approached them. We informed them about our idea and our service that we will be hoping to provide in the book fair, and most of us helped us a lot in the digital media. They published our articles in their blogs and social media places, and that was the main source of marketing for us, to make curiosity among the public. So we did those kinds of things, and then when we launched the app, we informed how to use it, and then we wrote articles about how to use this application with some examples as well. there were about 2,000 subscribers in our application. So that was more than our expectation, because this is our first time. Actually, frankly speaking, this is my first time developing an application. So as my team, so as the first team experience, it was really good. So for any other guys out there who will be thinking of developing applications like this, what I have to say is that, and the idea is what matters most. If you have a good idea, and then of course with the technology available, you have to be confident that you can develop it. Of course you can develop it. You have that intellectual capability. It's the idea that matters. So this is an event-specific application, not a general application that you can use any time of the year. So we are doing this annually, and if you come up with an idea, even for an event-specific application, my advice is go for it. You will, of course, you will face a lot of hardships, a lot of difficulties and obstacles. Don't get frustrated from it. Move forward. Gladly, we had a team of 6 people who were amazing, who didn't back down with any challenge. So that was the main strength behind the application.